Okay, you can see the scratch going down the side of my truck. I got a scratch repair system, and you've got to see how well this works. All you do first, put the first chemical compound on the scratch. We'll do a couple of them. And then it says to work it in perpendicular to the actual scratch itself. And the more pressure you apply, the better it works. Okay. And I've already done this on quite a few other scratches I had on the truck, and was shocked to see how well it works. So I wanted to show you. And you just work it in really good using firm pressure. And you can tell, even with just the first treatment, that scratch is gone. We have a little one above it. Okay. And as you can tell, the scratch is already gone itself. I didn't get that spot very well. But that's just the beginning. Because then you take a wet rag. Sorry for the view, guys. Take a wet rag and you wipe off the residue that's left. And that same scratch that was there a while ago is now gone, the big ones. And of course I got more to do, I'm just showing you. And what little scratches you see left are fixing to disappear when you use the second part of this, which is a second tube. Oh no. What did I do with my other cloth? Okay. And then it says to come back with a second compound. And again, oh, hello. Didn't mean to do that much. One kind of snuck out on me. And then you take it and you work it in and buff it. As amazing as it is, scratch is gone. Isn't that cool?